Now that hopefully we have convinced you it was time to change engine types, let's dig even further how exactly through this course, various workshops, we will get the most value from all of these changes. While speaking to each of these features at a high level, let's dig into how we are going to take advantage of them as part of your Google Analytics 4 implementation and service plans. In order to aid in the analysis of core user experiences and behavior, we will be creating a series of customized audiences, allowing the team to advertise more effectively on Google and other providers. We will also be speaking to your team to understand what default level of attribution reporting we should use. We highly recommend not using last click and are more prone to using position or time decay models. While we are excited that Google has their own data-driven model, we would rather have better control over the algorithms used in order to match up with downstream analysis. One of the most important aspects of introducing mixed model attribution to teams is that they may be using ROAS models or return on ad spend models based upon last clicks, and the costs are likely going to shift. We see this most in lower funnel advertising, such as social media, i.e. Facebook, where view-through costs may be significantly lower than the final click-through. The new models will help marketing leaders understand the difference of various customer touchpoints in a much more cost-effective way. Now, with the new data model comes a renewed opportunity to build a system that more accurately depicts your business. Due to limited functionality of the past, organizations had the tendency to make more ad hoc approach to analytics. This can no longer be the strategy if you are to be gaining strong business outcomes out of your data. That said, new data collection requests will be met with more scrutiny and process to assure we gain wisdom from the data and not just additional information. All Firebase streams will be added to Google Analytics 4 along with all of your web streams. Now, with more flexible pattern reports, we'll also be suggesting the injection of offline events, such as trade show registrations, call center activity, and even known store visits by unifying customer IDs across your platforms. Conversion plans will also have to be much more robust. While any event can be made a conversion with the touch of a slider, more robust conversions can also be created using event parameters. Imagine creating conversions based upon all of your service plan pages. Imagine creating grouped conversions based upon upper, middle, and lower events in your customer journey. Imagine using several parameters to arrive at a conversion value. The possibilities really are limitless, with some exceptions, of course. And we will start this with the first workshop. Using all these techniques together, you'll gain more robust user segments, a better data model, integrated customer journey reporting, retroactive reporting. We're able to create extremely detailed path and deep in funnel exploration reports, and we'll also do this during a workshop. There are also several benefits to taking advantage of a data warehouse. Many of you are likely taking advantage of it now, but without robust marketing or digital behavior within the analysis framework. Now you can. In order to take user privacy and really security to the next level, we highly suggest thinking about implementing a server-side tag management solution. This will not only speed up the execution of current advertising tags, but also allow for direct endpoint integration to various event streams. Take full control of what data you are sending to your partners. One of the most advantageous things we believe your team should be doing is streamlining and testing the means in which you gain user approval. First-party data is key, which should not be considered obtained until you gain a user's information with adequate permissions to do so. In our experience, one of the most advantageous things we believe your team should be doing is streamlining and testing the means in which you gain user approval. First-party data is key nowadays, but should not be considered obtained until you gain a user's information with adequate permissions to do so. In our experience, especially with longer-term or higher-priced sales cycles, gaining a little information over a long period of time works much better than asking users a load of questions first. That said, setting clear expectations of how you will use this information is absolutely critical in giving them flexibility to choose their options. So in summary, we'll be helping your organization create segments, audiences, and models to better track your return on ad spend, adhering to more stringent standards to assure you gain wisdom from the data, integrate data with existing customer and product data through a data warehouse, and implement stronger privacy and security measures. So yeah, no pain, no gain. So let's start training. Or turning that old car into, hey, maybe a nice brand new hybrid BMW convertible.